Good morning, students. Again, we will be doing a small exercise to illustrate how you can skim and scan a passage. Look at this. While reading, I am going to skim it. Adults need at least 6 hours of sleep every night, otherwise, they feel sleepy the whole day. Kids with little sleep have hard time sleeping at night, and this will affect their daily routine and make them less active and productive through the day in school. Experts say that the brain is very active when we are asleep and could be even more active than when we are awake. So now I have skimmed the passage. And the first thing that I know is it is about sleep. It is trying to say something about sleep. Once I have latched on to the important word, I have to look at the words or phrases that are associated with sleep. 6 hours, essential, uh, kids, that word with little sleep, daily routine, brain is active when we are asleep. So all these are associated with the word sleep. They are trying to tell, this passage is trying to tell us that 6 hours of sleep is important. Kids need to sleep well, and because the brain is very active when we are asleep. So 3 or 4 ideas are given here, and they are illustrated in sentences like make them less active and productive, feel sleepy. So the general idea I have got through skimming and scanning. I have identified the important word or words. Sleep is the important word, and there are many words associated with sleep. Each paragraph is saying something different. The paragraph 1, adults need 6 hours. Kids need good sleep. Brain is very active. Each paragraph is talking about a new idea. So the central idea of the passage, through these linkages, I get to know that sleep is very essential and important for keeping us healthy mentally. Is the author in favor of sleeping too much? If I put a question to myself, it's not sleeping too much, but sleeping as required that the author is talking about. So you can have an exercise mentally while you're reading the passage by putting questions to yourself. How many hours of sleep do adults need? What will happen if they don't sleep well? What will happen to kids if they don't sleep well? What happens to the brain when the body is sleeping? So if you put questions to yourself like this, you also understand the paragraph or the passage better. I hope you have understood briefly how to skim and scan. Thank you.